Hello Covers, prospects and pledges, and welcome to this episode of Clark's Cove Plus. And when you hear us put the plus on the end, that usually means we've done some magnet fishing. But this video is just a mishmash of a bunch of clips that we had, and they didn't have no home.
Yeah.
So we went through and decided to take them all, put them all together, and let you all enjoy them.
Yep.
Because they just didn't have no other video to make it into. So hope you all enjoy this episode. There's some wildlife footage, there's some ATV riding, and some magnet fishing, even though we don't do well on the magnet fishing, but we give it a try, guys. We give it our best try. So sit back, put your feet up, get ready to enjoy this episode of Clark's Cove Plus. And we'll see you all
on that next adventure.
Thanks for joining, everyone. Covers. Standing here watching the deer this morning. Hello Covers, welcome back, and like we have been telling you all, we were going to come and drop the magnet down this well. So Melissa has the magnet right there. We're going to get it out, get it hooked up, and drop it down in there and see if we can find anything. We'll be right back with you in just a minute. Okay Covers,
Here we go.
Here we go. And no, we are not using Kratos magnets. We're using Brute magnets.
Yes.
Sorry about that out there to anyone that might be a Kratos person.
I see the feet of the dog.
I'm hitting bottom.
Are you?
Right there. Yep. I'm not feeling any. Like it's picking up anything at all. Which, you know, you have to try.
Yes, you do. Listen to the thunder.
Yeah. Because you just never know. And we wanted to do this. So
yes, we did.
We're doing it.
It's an adventure.
That's just legs. That ain't the whole doll.
Just the legs.
But yeah, guys. Looks like that venture although there is something on there.
Is there?
Yep. Yep, just some
stuff.
Yeah.
Nothing of any importance.
I'm going to drop it back down in there and go around one more time, guys. And just see, but yeah. Yeah, it's not very deep. Once it hits the water, it's only going down about 2 feet. I was figuring it would be deeper than that, but it's not. Like I said, I'm not feeling it catch on anything, but you know, hey, it's worth a try.
You never know until you do try.
You never know until you do try. But we hope you all have enjoyed watching us do this.
We've enjoyed it.
Considering we've not really messed with the magnet too much.
Yeah.
I hear the rain starting. We're probably going to end up having to put the windshield in.
Yep.
But yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm not getting on anything. I've went around the whole thing. So we want to thank you all for joining, though.
Absolutely.
Oh, it's trying to pick up. There must be some metal on them
something there.
doll legs. Yeah, I wish I could get it and pull it up out of there, but it's not.
Not
Whatever
latching
it is,
on.
it's not latching on to it. That one leg sunk.
Uh-oh.
So, yeah, see, it's.
Yeah, I see. It's got it.
Oh,
Oh, it dropped.
it dropped. Yeah.
That's okay.
That's okay, guys. Thanks for joining. And, of course, as always,
We'll see you on that next good cover find.
alrighty, guys. We just left the well and that home site, and it started raining, so we come here to this shelter that we always like to stop at. Decided to hang out here for a while. There's Melissa trying to fix her hair so she looks good on camera. As if she doesn't look good on camera anyways all the time.
Wow.
Whoa, there we go. There was a big
70%
flash
earning his, isn't he?
of lightning. Let's
Yes.
hear if we hear the thunder from it. A little bit.
Not as loud as the last one.
But yeah, this video is just kind of a conglomeration of little videos and clips that we hadn't got to use, so I hope you're all enjoying it. We're going to sit here a few more minutes and see if this rain lets up. If it doesn't, you know what? We're just going to hop back in the side by side and take all. Melissa's going to get out there and take.
It's not our trash.
She's going to get out there and take her yearly bath in the rain. I'll hear about that one later, guys. But thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on that next stop or whatever we may be doing.
See you guys.
Hello Covers, and welcome back. Hope you all are enjoying and have enjoyed this mishmash video of clips that we had and had no home for them, so we put them all together and sharing them with you. And as you seen at the beginning of the video, we did some magnet fishing down a well. Now we're up here at this other home site. You can't really see the old foundation over there, but this is where I found the one metal piece that I restored and did the video on it. So we wanted to bring the magnet up here and drop it down in this well and see if maybe, and it ain't going down in there very far either, but still.
You never know if anything's down in there.
Nope, we wanted to check it out. You just never know. But I'm not feeling it hit on anything at all. But you'll, ooh, I thought it grabbed something.
Oh, I see. I can tell the tension, or it looked as if the
It
rope.
felt like it hooked onto something, but ooh, yeah.
Oh, I can see it resisted. Unless it's just got under clumps and clumps of stuff. Yeah.
I think it's just leaves and sticks. But it did, it felt like it. Yeah, it is. It's catching on something and it's letting it go. And there it just dropped off, whatever it was.
Curious.
Nothing there. We're going to pause, and if we can get this and ever get it, we'll get right back with you guys. Alrighty guys, no cigar. I'm latching onto something down there, but apparently it's under the mud enough that this this magnet will not pull it up out of there. But and that's the only magnet we have. I mean, we don't have any stronger ones than that, but we give it a try, guys. But it's right down in there. But every time I go to pull, I feel it break loose of it. So
there's so much leaves
and
and
so much
mucky
leaves
stuff.
and mucky muck down in there. Yeah, but hey, we give it a try, guys. Thanks for joining, and maybe we'll have better luck next time. Thanks for joining. Welcome back, Covers. Okay, we just left that well, and so we decided to come down here to the pier, which is a big fishing area. And we're going to drop, I've already got it stuck right here. And had to get the hammer and pound it off, but we're going to drop it down in here and see if maybe we can get on something. You never know. Put it down through here and walk it down through here a little bit. Not very deep.
People fish off here a lot. Maybe you might need to throw it out a little farther.
Nothing. Let's give it. Oh, here we go. Already found a sinker and a hook here.
All right.
Okay, I don't want to throw this and then pull myself in the water.
No.
Make sure I get myself plenty of slack. feel it grabbed something there, but it let loose of it. And nothing. Well, I tell you what, guys, if we get on something, we'll get the camera back out. So,
Yep.
thanks for joining. Okay, guys, there's something right out there, right where I'm throwing it, and I'm latching onto it, but this magnet is not strong enough to pull it out of there. I'll show you. It's right there. I'm latched to it right there. Right there. I'm latched to it, and it whatever it is, it will not hook to it, guys, enough for me to pull it out of there. I guess that's where I need one of them yep,
Something a little stronger.
super strong two-sided.
Some of you viewers and channels out there may give us some suggestions.
I'm on it right there.
Are you moving it at all?
I can't tell. It broke. It come loose.
Broke loose.
Yeah, well, guys, once again, place 2, 3 with nothing, but there's something out there big.
Yes, there
I
is.
can't get a hold of it with this. I'm getting it, but it's just not got enough oomph to pull it. I'm going to try one more time, and then we're going to get back to our
adventure
ATV riding for the evening. But we want to thank you. Oh, there it is. It's latched to it right there. Yeah, see, as soon as I start giving a little bit of pressure, it breaks loose. But we want to thank you all for joining us here at Clark's Cove Plus.
Absolutely.
There, you see, it's hooked to it right there. I mean, it's hooked to it good, but it just won't
hold. Whatever it is under there.
And I'm trying to do that, you know, kind of see if I can work it loose out of the mud. Oh man, it's latched good.
Uh-oh.
That time. Oh shoot.
Are you going to be able to get it?
Yep, there it comes.
Okay. And guys, the thing about it is where we're at, I'm painting you up this way, the water is on top of old home sites.
Yeah.
So who knows
what I could be latching onto, actually.
Exactly.
But this it's just a 1,200-pound magnet, but it don't have what it needs to pull whatever's there up. So you never know, maybe one day someone will come out here to Clark's Cove and with a bigger magnet, and
we'll get it out of there.
We'll try to get it out of there. But thanks for joining, guys. Alrighty, Covers, and we hope you all enjoyed that mishmash of videos.
Yes.
I mean, you had magnet fishing in there and some ATVing.
Yep.
Those magnet fishing videos, they just wasn't enough to be a video. So they were just little clips. So, and all the ATVing stuff, you know, we never had any place really to use it. So we just thought we would put it all together for you guys and make one little video out of it. So we hope you all enjoyed that video of lost and forgotten clips.
We enjoyed it.
Because I know we enjoyed it. Definitely was fun putting it together and bringing it to you all. So with all of that, if you're stopping by this channel for the first time this evening, hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
Hit the thumbs up and leave us a comment. As always, we love hearing from each and every last one of you. And as always, here at Clark's Cove Detecting, we're going to leave you with...
They lose it, and we fight.
And we'll see you all on that first good
Cover find.
Thanks for joining, everyone. Now, go on with the rest of Digging Sundays. Enjoy it.
Yes.